if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't what you need. Or let them keep on talking, just calm your...
What's up, you guys? I am back to show you guys how I made 3 DIY Halloween costumes for my daughter. And this one is inspired by Lilo and Stitch. So you will need a pair of scissors, as you saw, a piece of string that is measured to your baby's head, and some leaves that I just took off some Dollar Tree flowers that I had. You need a glue gun, and of course with some glue sticks. Also, a pair of red bloomers that I'll be turning into the top for this costume. 2 scrunchies for the anklet and the wristlet. And I also found this little fairy skirt at Dollar Tree, but we're going to be repurposing it from the skirt of Lilo. So I'm just going to start off with taking this part of the skirt that kind of looks like the fairy part, and I'm just going to remove it from the packaging and start cutting off this tulle so I can just have the green skirt by itself. So this is what it should look like after you cut the tulle off. And moving on to the top, you want to grab the bloomers, and what I'm going to be doing is cutting off the bottom portion of the bloomers, and I'll be tucking it in with some hot glue to make a tube top. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the scrunchies that I have. I have 2 different sizes, not on purpose, but they just happen to be 2 different sizes. I'm going to use one for her wrist and one for her ankle. And I have the leaves that I had from the Dollar Tree flowers, and I'm just going to stick the leaves onto the wristlet and the ankle bracelet with my hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and take that piece of ribbon that I had, and I'm just gonna put glue down the middle of it, mainly focusing the flowers in the middle of the headband because the sides don't really matter. So I'm building it up so it has a little more shape to it rather than just like flat leaves. So that's what I'm doing here. So your headband should look something like this. And as you can see, guys, my daughter enjoyed this costume.
Oh, when you're down, you're feeling low, got nobody by your side. It can be lonely and you want to only find a place, no need to hide. Just lean back, you'll fit right in. You can make it all come true, cause there's always hope inside, and hope will see you through. Aloha.
Next is the bubblegum machine. I just have a plain white shirt here, and I also cut out a circle out of this cardstock paper. I have a flower pot just to use as a guide, and I also picked up these little fur ball craft pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using these as the gumballs. So I'm just going to use my flower pot here as a guide and just press it into the shirt so I can see where I'll be sticking the pieces. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start hot gluing the fur balls onto the shirt, and I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. I also decided to add a little bit of detail to the shirt, so I just added the base of the gumball machine to the bottom of the shirt. I'm just using an envelope to mark where the line should be so it's straight, and a permanent marker. You're also going to need some red bottoms, and not the fancy. These regular red bottoms, you can use a skirt, you can use shorts. I just have a pair of shorts here that I'll be using. And then also you want to grab that little cutout that you made, and I'm just going to draw 25 cents on it to go ahead and hot glue onto the bottom of the shorts. I also went back and drew a little knob on the 25 cents part because I figured, how else is anybody gonna get any candy out? So that's what I'm doing here. I also had this exaggerated huge red bow laying around, but you can find it at Walmart for I think $2, and I'm just gonna grab those fuzzies and add some of them to the bow. This is is it, you guys. Super cute, really easy bubblegum machine. I think my daughter loved the pom-poms more than the actual costume, but super cute, and it costs little to probably less than $5. Next is the Gym is Life. I just had a onesie there and I just grabbed some leggings, and I'm also going to add some headbands that I found at the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to be using one of them, and I also have a pair of stockings that I will just be cutting the bottoms off to make the leg warmers. If you have leg warmers already, feel free to use them, but I didn't, so I'm going to go ahead and make some. And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed these 3 DIY Halloween costumes that I made for Emma. Don't forget to like and comment down below if you like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!